What's the meaning of antiquity? Antiquity. 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 Antiquity.
Antiquity refers to the ancient and distant past, typically preceding the Middle Ages. It refers to the period of time when human civilization first emerged and developed, encompassing various ancient civilizations such as those of Greece, Rome, and Egypt. During antiquity, significant progress was made in fields such as mathematics, philosophy, art, and architecture, laying the foundation for modern society. The study of antiquity allows us to gain insight into the origins of civilization and how it has evolved over time, giving us a better understanding of our place in history.